Amidst the serene hills of Assam lies the Kamakhya temple, a place where the divine and the earthly meet. In this video, we will share the experience of free darshan queue. Stay tuned as we dive into the stories, sights, and the soulful atmosphere of this mysterious temple.
Good morning. Today we are going to Guwahati. Our train is Kanchenjunga Express. It will be leaving from Shialda at 6:50 in the morning.
This train takes 20 hours to reach Guwahati and has frequent stops. A lot of unreserved passengers with monthly tickets fill up the sleeper coach throughout the journey. There is no pantry car inside the train, so food is sold at more than double the rate which is fixed by the government. However, a lot of local vendors sell some homemade roti sabji inside the train at a reasonable rate. Almost at the right time, at 2:45 in the morning, our train reached Guwahati. It was raining like cats and dogs, and we hurried to find a comfortable shelter in the platform. To freshen up, you can do early check-in at hotel, or the AC executive lounge in Guwahati railway station is also well equipped.
Good morning. We have reached Guwahati by Shialda Kanchenjunga Express. That train arrived on time and we deboarded the train at around 2:45 in the morning.
It was raining at the
Very
time.
heavily, yes. We were feeling so helpless because the train stopped at a place where there was no shade in the platform.
We just soaked in the rain.
Yeah. We have taken hotel near Paltan Bazaar. We have checked in, got freshened up, and now we are going to Kamakhya Ma temple. It is around 8 kilometers from here. We are going to the main route to catch taxi
Or buses or whatever transport
bus,
facilities
yes.
available here.
Yeah, whatever public transport we'll get, we'll update you about the same. It is 5 o'clock now, so we didn't get any bus. The bus service starts from 8 o'clock in the morning from Paltan Bazaar. We have reserved an auto rickshaw and the charge is 250 rupees. The Kamakhya temple is one of the oldest and holiest of the 51 Shakti peeths. It is believed that the yoni of Ma Sati fell over here, and that is why it is considered to be a powerful epicenter of fertility and creation.
डिफेंस का होगा, एक इसका होगा, एक तो वीआईपी का।
We have reached the Kamakhya Ma temple premises in just 20 minutes. Since it's early in the morning, there was no traffic jam. And now we have stood in the general queue to collect the coupon. We have stood at 5:30 in the morning and we are at least behind 1000 people. I don't know when we will get the coupon, and then again we'll have to stand in the queue for the temple darshan. Now it is 8 o'clock after standing for 3.5 hours, right?
Yes.
The queue started moving towards the general ticket coupon counter. General coupon counter. So we were stuck at the same place for
It's
the
raining.
last 3.5 hours, and it has started raining now.
And there is no shade, so it's little bit problematic
Difficult,
for us.
yes. But the devotees, I mean the pilgrims voted. They are saying that we have
As
come
we
for
have
the
come, so
darshan. Rain and all doesn't matter.
Yeah.
We were stranded under the open sky, and the rainwater dripped down from our wet clothes as we kept waiting to get the general darshan ticket.
We got this free darshan pass at 9 o'clock, so we stood in the queue for 3.5 hours. Now we have come inside the temple complex. I asked the security guards for how long we'll have to wait over here. He said minimum 4 hours. It is very crowded today. It's very windy, foggy, and it is still raining. I am Sudip. We are completely drenched in rain and feeling very cold now. But then it is like, since we have come so far, we will not go without the darshan. So it is 12 o'clock now. After staying inside that room for 3 hours, we are moving towards the temple. The temple remains closed from 1 o'clock in the afternoon till 2:30. It's 3:30 now. We are in the queue for the last 10 hours. And the best part is there is no provision of drinking water. So we are here in the temple premises without any food and without any water. Do yourself a favor. If you are coming to Kamakhya temple, please book VIP ticket for 500 rupees per person.
After 11 hours of waiting in the queue, we finally got a glimpse of the divine spring and the revered Ma Kamakhya. Every year, the Ambubachi Mela is held here, celebrating the earth's fertility and the divine feminine power. It marks the goddess's sacred menstruation period, attracting lakhs of devotees from all over the country.
The Kamakhya temple was first built in the 8th century, and later on it has been rebuilt and renovated multiple times by various kings. It is built in the Nilachal hills and is surrounded by the mighty Brahmaputra river. Kamakhya is also the epicenter of tantric worship in India. Unlike many temples, Kamakhya doesn't house an idol inside the temple. Instead, a natural stone shaped like a yoni, continuously moistened by the natural spring, is worshipped. In front of the exit of the temple, there is drinking water and there is free Wi-Fi facility inside the temple complex. So you will not feel bored even if you sit here for 10 hours.
We returned by bus, and the day ended with a gorgeous view of the sunset in the waters of the mighty Brahmaputra.